Hi everyone, so in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of this Galaxy A35G Samsung. I'm sure you have seen a lot of videos. It's now brand new. Like, I know this model released last year, but I just got it now, so just got time now to unboxing. So I'm just gonna open the box and let you guys know what's inside the box and what you're gonna get when if you buy this Galaxy A3, and how it looks inside and outside, what's inside the box. So let's do the unboxing straight away. So let's begin. So when you open the box, so you will see, as you in all the Samsung phones, all the SIM jack, so the cable and all the paperwork, which is the user manual and how to use and all the kind of instruction given here. You can read if you have time. Comes with USB-C to USB-C. It doesn't come with the adapter. You have to get your own adapter, but it comes with the cable, nice solid cable. I think it's 1 meter. It comes with the cable USB-C to USB-C, which is like a fast charging, and all the new phones are coming with USB-C on it. So okay, let's move towards the phone. Let's take out the phone and show you. So yeah, the phone, let's open the phone here. So the phone is very nice and shiny and slim with square edges. As you can see, I will show you. I'll try to cover my best in this video. Very nice square edges, and the beautiful thing about this one is this is speaker. Like, they change the dot holes. Like before, they give the bar here, and these two I'm not sure if sensors or the speakers, then USB-C in it. On this side, it's very plain and nice and smooth, shiny brush look. And on the top there is a SIM jack, and I think you can insert the memory card if you want, if you like. On this side there's a power button and the volume button, and that's it. Comes on the back is very nice and glossy. It's glass on it, and there are very beautiful 3 cameras. You can have a look at this. It's very nice and very nicely designed with the one flash, 3 cameras, and of course comes with so many powerful cameras with wide angle and all the kind of specification. Very nice back. I like it. I think it's not fully glass, but it's mixed with plastic, but it looks very nice and slick. So let's come to the front side. There is a front camera they've given here, and other than that there's no button. It's all plain and looks very strong. Obviously Samsung's the screen that they're making stronger now day by day. So let's turn this on now and run the full setup. I love Samsung phones. Their new phones are really nice, and you can feel it, you know. Size wise, you can say it's the size of my hand. This one is 64 gig or 128 gig. I'm just gonna double check. I think it's 128. Let me see in the box. Yeah, this one is 128 gig. I think all the phones are coming 128 gig. New ones. Select your language. Okay, where is English? Ireland. I'm in the Ireland, so I have to select my country. I agree to all options. You can select the Wi-Fi and go next. Restart the service provider setup. So as you can see, the screen is really big on this A series. I love their A series. Samsung A series is really stunning and really beautiful. Before it was like a round edge. Now it's like a proper, like iPhone or all the latest phones are coming solid on a side, square edges. I think it's really flat on the ground as well, so it's like really good. And camera side, you can see from the side, it's not that from the body, but it is tiny bit. uh, so like when you put your phone like that, you maybe have to, your cameras go touch the ground, so you can get the cases, or you can even take the there are lenses covers, you can use that, so in case you put it without the case, so you don't have to worry about your camera is gonna be scratches on it. Although these new cameras are scratchless, the material they use, so it's not that easy to get scratches on these ones as well. But still, like on a safe side, you can get, which everybody like to get the cases for the new phones because you love the new phone and you don't want your phone to get dirty. But then with time you get used to of it, and then you will don't care about that. Let me know if you guys want me to make a comparison video of the old phone versus the new phone. I have one video of my Galaxy A22 with, I think, A35. I will try find that and put the link in this video here, so you can click on that and watch the comparison I made before of the same phone. And now I'm doing proper unboxing because people loved that video and they want me to make proper one, my review and the unboxing and what's inside the box. So just making another video on demand. So okay, don't copy. If you have another old Samsung, you can copy from old Samsung to new one. I will make another video where I'm gonna copy everything from my old phone to here, but in the meantime I'm just telling you how you can do. If you have a Gmail, you can log in here, otherwise skip. So if you have the account, you can straight away download the apps from the Google Play Store, because for Google Play Store you have to have the Google Gmail account. You can select the browser or the search engine you want. I always like Google. I think everybody else does the same, but some people like any other, like Bing or Yahoo search. You can set that by default. You can add the fingerprint or pin code for security. I'll just skip it in the meantime. And from here, if you have the Samsung account, you can log in with that. If you don't have, don't worry. So click on forget password or do not have account, and when you do that, you can set up later, so then you don't have to enter straight away. Now if you don't have, skip now. So finish. You can do these things later on and exit the setup. So that's the interface it's showing. So that's the first look and first impression of the home screen, which is really good. Nice wallpaper, nice and clean. And Samsung always comes with the same setup, exact same setup, with all the Google search bar and the weather, where you're living, all the apps here, Google, all the apps in one place, and their docket here. This is for to home. This is if the apps are running. No apps recently used. This is to go back, swipe up to see the whole menu. So yeah, because there is no any other app, so we cannot swipe right or left, but usually it goes left and right. Then if you keep swipe one time up, open the menu, next time it close it. So it's really fast like that. So from the top down, you will see the menu, brightness, and all the apps running. If you swipe down again, you will see the whole menu where you can see the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, settings, turn off, and if you wanna arrange, so there is a pencil icon here, you can select that and edit the way you want. So there is a small page of flight mode, torch, mobile data, and when you swipe left, you can see like these are come by default. You can add more. There is the brightness one, and there is a eye comfort feature, which is really good, especially nighttime. dark mode, smart view, and you can add more if you like. So back. So yeah, these are the apps coming by default. So that's the whole interface. Let me quickly check the camera. The camera comes with nice modes. You can see if you take, yeah, so portrait, there is a mode called fun. I don't know what that means. So it's like for Snapchat, looks like it's coming with filters here. That's like a fun mode, which is coming by default filters, which is good, like a Snapchat. Here it's showing you as well when I swipe left and right by Snapchat. So this is like a collaboration with Snapchat. So all the Snapchat there's a noise. So all the Snapchat filters are coming in here. Portrait mode, which is really good. Looks like you can adjust the blur. So photos, normal photos, use macro mode. That's good. They have macro mode. You can take the macro pictures. Really impressive. They have video. On video, you can select the HD, all the FPS, size, and they have a motion detector option here. You have more. You can see there are so many options here. That's a good thing about the new Samsung phones. They're coming with really nice features, especially with camera, macro mode, panorama, food, super slow motion. They have a super slow motion, hyperlapse, single take, pro. So I think iPhone or Apple doesn't have that many options. Play around with all these features. So if you swipe left, there's a small bar which is like a shortcut in case you want to select any shortcut on this one. You can select that and open a camera by shortcut. There's a small bar here, and if you swipe left like that, it's open. If you close that, so you can adjust this from the settings and take it to the different direction if you want. So but yeah, it's good. So yeah, I think that's pretty much. It's a really nice phone. I recommend. The price as well, it's really good. I don't know the exact price, but I will mention in the link below, and I will check the latest price and attach in this video. I hope you like this video, and let me show some support if you want me to keep making videos like this. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment, and let me know your feedback, or if you used already this phone, let me know what's your feedback on this phone if you haven't. So make sure you check this phone out. It's really good. Thank you.
Crazy.